What's up? Oh, hi. Hey guys, I am back. I have about 2 hours until I have to leave for work. And my room is a mess because I haven't taken care of it at all in the past like month or two. And yeah, so I am going to spend some time cleaning and reorganizing. So yeah, I especially need to reorganize as in cleaning a lot of shit out because there's gonna be some changes happening soon involving my room, as you'll see coming up in the future. So I kind of need to sort out some things. So yeah, you get to come along on that journey. So I mean, honestly, I'm gonna start with this pile on the floor, which is just my towel and a bunch of clothes underneath it, which isn't gonna be that hard. And then I'm going to move on to my desk because, as you can see, even just the top is messy. And yeah, and I need to organize, like clean out the drawers. So yeah, we'll do that. The top of the desk only took like 45 minutes. I cleaned like everything off and I have a lot less on there now. As you can see, it's basically just my computer. I have my mouse. This little fun fact, this was a sampling from Harlequin Dance Floors. They make, when I went to Reorganizing America, they had a whole bunch of like floor samples made into like coasters. So yeah, this is a type of dance flooring, but it's a coaster. Fun fact. So I have that. I have this little cute thing of paper clips that someone got me, and this is full of like paper clips and safety pins, and I've got some chapstick, pencil lead refills. But so like in this little green basket one, I put all like the pens, the pencils, I have a couple of Sharpies and like scissors, and I have this feather thing that I've had forever from my friend Kiana. Because then in this one I put all like the highlighters, basically. This also, my grandma made this. My noni, she used to take an art class and they like made these little holders. She wrote pens and pencils on it, has little flowers and butterflies all over it. So I like to keep that just because it reminds me of her, even though she's in the room right across from me. I have all my post-it notes and mini stapler. This is from when I did the Polar Express train ride show last year. It says Polar Express 2017 on it. It's the little magical bell that Santa gives you. This I made because I collect seashells, And I have a whole bunch of just little tiny seashells thrown up in here, and I tied a little bow around it to make it look cute. I just think it's a nice little piece of decoration. There's my clock. That's a pine cone that I found somewhere probably when I was a kid. And then, of course, my lamp. So yeah, that's basically all that there is for that. I'm not going to go into the drawers right now because that's going to take forever. And I want to make sure I can, like, have, like, a good ending point before I go to work, because let's be honest, I don't want to be halfway through something when I have to go to work. Especially with this one over here. Oh yeah, I found some Super Balls, so I'm letting her play with those because, yep, she's entertained. Looks like she lost one of her balls already underneath my desk. Okay, well, anyways, so now, oh, look, she got it, Good girl. I know, you're such a good girl. Alright, now, except for, you know, pooping on my carpet. So now, I get to deal with all of this. Yep, I don't know where half of this is gonna go, but I definitely need to find a home for it, put Ipsy bags away, and I have a whole bunch of, like, makeup and nail polish and perfumes that I need to actually organize and make sense of, because I had originally this little basket for all my nail polishes, but then Ipsy keeps sending me more, and now I have a whole bunch that don't fit into it. It's a problem. Oh, also this mirror's hella dirty, so like anytime I try and take a mirror selfie, I'm like awkwardly like way over here, because if I stand in the middle, there's like that smudge right in front of us. I don't know what it's from, so I need to go get Windex and clean that too. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of random stuff. That's my next project. Okay, so I finished the dresser. It looks so nice and clean. What the heck? Oh, this is so great. I feel so satisfied. So, obviously there's a lot of stuff that I haven't just like put away yet or like cleaned yet, and that's laying all over elsewhere over my room. Whenever I clean, it has to get messier before it gets better. Anyways, so quick little tour. My mirror is absolutely clean. There's no smudges anymore. So I kept my dance pictures. This one is me and my group that went to Reorganizing My Room 2 years in a row. and 1 honors. Just gonna say. This is my picture from when I was candy cane, and there was an alumni show, so my dance teacher of forever got to perform with us. I might change this picture because I'm sorry. The whole no eyebrows thing isn't really my favorite thing to have on display because everyone else looks great. I might change those 2 pictures, but I'm not entirely sure. So first I have to find pictures that I would want to put in there, and then we'll see. In my little mosaic jar, I decided to keep using it for my makeup, but I condensed it because originally I just had like my brushes and eyeliners in here, which is what I started doing, but then I figured out it would be better if I just put like literally all of my brushes, I put my eyeliners, I put a whole bunch of lipsticks in here that I use. I also cleaned out a whole bunch of stuff, like this over here. This is a whole bunch of makeup I don't use on the regular. I use this one a lot, but I couldn't find a place that I liked it on there that looked nice, so I don't know. This I'm not going to use at all. Fred, if you want this, hit me up. This is like lipstick I only use when I'm performing on stage. Like, these need to be thrown away. They're like dry. I don't use this a lot. So a bunch of this is either going to go in the trash or in there because I don't use it / it's empty and dead. That's all that, because that used to be kind of just like all over here. And then the stuff I do have over here now is just like my foundation, my primer, beauty blender, concealer, all that random stuff. This is a lipstick, but it was too small and I didn't want to get lost in the dips. More makeup stuff, highlighter. Then I sorted out my lipsticks as well. There's a lot of them. These are the ones I don't use them as often. Like, yeah, so those are going to go somewhere. Then I basically just picked out like my favorites, my most used one, and I decided to ditch the basket because I liked the clean look. And then of course I have all my little perfumes and lotions, and this is my little, if you've watched, if you're an OG person, then you saw when I went to South Bay with RDA, me and my friend Abigail went to a little carnival thing and we won prizes and we got little matching Manta Ray statue things. And then I kept this out because this is, I'll open and show you. This is my jewelry box. It's very sad, it's very full. I'm gonna go through that at another time because there's a lot of stuff in there that I don't wear and don't use, and it's a disaster. But I also want to get a different jewelry box because all my necklaces are constantly tangled and my earrings are tangled and I need to get different things. Anyways, that's that. I actually found this at a gas station. We were road tripping somewhere. And then this is just my little sandblast thing. This is sand from the Sandblast Islands in Panama. This is a shell from the islands. Literally, it was just laying on the beach and I hid it in my dirty laundry and took it home because I needed that seashell. So yeah, that is my desk and dresser complete. I'm going to clean up that stuff that's now on my desk and some of this stuff, and then probably head to work because I also need to run a few errands first. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.